Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to check if your iPhone battery has been replaced. First of all, go and open your settings and then head to general and then to about, and if the battery has been swapped or parts and a service history section will be visible. And if you do not see this section, it typically means the battery is original and has never been serviced. And if there is shown genuine Apple part, that means that was replaced by an Apple or an authorized provider using official part. And if you see their unknown part, that means that was installed by an unauthorized, and if you see unknown part, that means that was installed by an unauthorized third party. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.